Hi everyone, George Burnett with Covers and Camo. Check out these seat covers on this 2018 Ram 3500. Matches this silver truck incredibly well. This is Kryptek Raid. The pattern, I think, looks so good on this truck. Check out some of these features. The way this fits around this bolster right here, multiple pieces so that it rolls so nicely here. This has 3/8 of an inch of fire retardant foam backing all this material. This is a poly nylon material that's super good and tough, and you'll see it kind of quilts, looks more like a fitted seat here. Fits so nicely over the top here. The pockets on the front are the MOLLE pocket on the front here, a pistol pocket over here, a pistol holster right here beside me right here. The back side of the seats have got the ops package for 8 total pockets. This is one of my favorite parts of these seat covers. This is the ops package on the back. You can see that it has MOLLE webbing here at the top for all your MOLLE gear to accessorize on the top here. This Velcro's open and closed at each end, so you've got a nice big pocket in here. I mean, you can put gear in here, jump starters, all kinds of good gear that goes in here. That'll Velcro closed at both ends there. Down below there's pockets here for all just, gloves and gear and headlamps. 2 pockets there. And behind those pockets, again, is another pocket here with Velcro closures at each end. So again, you can put binocs in there and the gear, Velcro it closed, and you've got, the horizontal pockets, the vertical pockets, the MOLLE gear at the top. You can see openings for all the seat belts, quilting here, the armrest that folds down with your drink holders, trims out. Look how nice this tucks underneath this drink holder right here. Just the opening is trims out beautifully. Snugs back there. You got your openings here for your pull tabs. The headrests, they fit just snug tight again. It is a gorgeous set of seat covers. You'll love these. Coversandcamo.com. Again, this is the Kryptek Raid pattern, and this is on a 2018 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. All right, y'all enjoy the covers.